Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting episode of Dark Side. Please watch the video till the end and press that like button if you found this video helpful. So without wasting any further time, quickly subscribe our channel and continue watching Dark Side. Remember when everything just started as a mystery in China during the end of 2019? We just thought we will be safe in our countries. It has been almost a year since the outbreak and people all over the world are still suffering. More than 75 million cases and more than a million deaths worldwide. Have you ever wondered what would happen if this COVID thing never ended? Let us just analyze what would happen if this thing never stopped spreading in this new episode of Dark Side. We have lived with the coronavirus pandemic for a year by now, and there are no signs indicating that it will end anytime soon. In fact, the pandemic is currently resurging all over the world, leading to the reintroduction of harsh restriction in many countries. Hopes that it will just end and go away by itself, like the Spanish flu did a century ago. And we are also waiting anxiously for a vaccine that really works. We have seen that surviving infection is no guarantee against contacting COVID 19 a second time. Immunity may only last a handful of months, and the more seriously you were hit by the virus, the shorter your immunity will last. We cannot expect vaccine to provide immunity any longer than that. So unless you get a shot every 6 months, you cannot count on being safe. And this safety even assumes that COVID doesn't mutate itself. But unfortunately, COVID 19 has already mutated into several strains, even some that transmit more easily. Though the coronavirus seemed to mutate fairly slow, this could change. There are several examples of viruses that we have never succeeded in eradicating because of constant mutations, with influenza A and B, the common cold, and HIV, which is being the prime case. If COVID 19 keeps mutating, it might also be something we will have to learn to live or die with. If the coronavirus stays with us, this could lead to profound and lasting change in our everyday life and lifestyles in general. Wearing face masks every time you leave home may become a permanent fixture, and people who are able to may avoid mass transport like bus, trains, ferries, and planes because of higher risk of infection. But this could lead to heavy traffic as people start using their private vehicle. Greeting people may change with an end to hugs. Moving on, communities that have become entirely free of viruses, that may be village towns or even nations, may choose to enforce strict quarantine for all visitors. But even though the virus may be carried by the wildlife that infect pets or livestock, which in turn infect people, we cannot assure anything with 100% accuracy, and we cannot expect to vaccinate all the animals, can we? It may, of course, be that we eventually lift most or all the restriction and just accept that a lot of people will die. Even if we don't find vaccines or effective treatments against COVID 19, we have already found drugs that reduces the likelihood of dying, and this will also reduce the fear of dying. We accept that more than a million of people worldwide are killed yearly in car accident, and not to mention millions more dying from air pollution, to which cars are a major contributor. We don't talk about banning cars for that reason. Death is a part of life, after all. Maybe it will even end all this talk about overpopulation. What do you think about this matter? Please let us know in the comment section below. Guys, share this video to everyone so that they can know how important it is to stop COVID from spreading. And at the end, let us not forget the people who all are working outside for us. Let us just take a minute to pay them our respects. I forgot what to say. And guys, don't go and think that I am saying that COVID should not end. As you all know, we are just analyzing a possibility which we all don't want to happen. And even this graph on the screen from the Google shows that pandemic is reducing slowly. So let us all hope for the best. And as I have seen, most of the people blame the government for the cause, but the main reason for this cause is us. We must stay in our homes and follow social distancing as said by the government. They just can't go and say millions of people to stay at home. It's our duty, we must understand and stay in our homes safely. Hey guys, please press the like button and subscribe our channel and turn on notification. I know you won't listen to me like this.
को शेट ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का शेट ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा लाइक ठोकी दबा के
Alright, now do. Tata, goodbye.
Não cutuco a sorte, não foi sem fim, agora me ouve. Você vai cair, dessa vez sou mais forte. Tati, você também me matou naquela noite. Eu já ouvi falar.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।